Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream session. Okay, so just as what the title, okay, especially as the thumbnail mentioned, right? That's exactly what we're gonna go in and speak about today. All right. So basically, okay, we understand that we are actually trending in this trend line in the bigger time frame. All right. So these are the exciting things that we're going to be speaking about because so far we are seeing a break towards the upside, okay, instead of a break towards the downside. So potentially, okay, just potentially, we could be seeing a massive move towards the upside if price really wants to go up and is actually respecting this break. Because to be honest, we could also be looking at a fake out, right? This is almost the liquidity that price actually swept, but it did it. No, I don't think it did. No, it didn't. Very close, but it didn't. Okay. So based on the bigger time frame, I cannot see a liquidity being swept lah, and then the move down. Okay, this one also it could be just because price came up to this point to fill up. What's it filling up, guys? We spoke about this few times already, huh? G fair value gap. All right. So basically, price could also just potentially come this high to sorry guys to fill up this fair value gap prior to making its move down. Okay, but again, all right, as traders, okay, I said this a few times before, I'll say it again. We do not give predictions only in one direction. Okay, we always got to look out for both sides. Okay, since we have two options, right, as a trader, buying and also selling. All right, so it doesn't make sense for us to only focus on a buy and totally lose focus of the sell opportunity. All right, vice versa. Okay, it doesn't make sense for us to fully focus on the sell but then forgot about any buying opportunities that may arise. Okay, so today that is what we'll be going through in, guys. Okay, and also we will try to break down a few stuff that we saw today happen in Asia session and also in London. So I was able to identify that in Asia session, sellers were actually majority in control, and then London session it was a bit of a mixture. So it was sellers, majority was sellers, but buyers did put in their footprints and then they did push price. We highlighted this inside of our Discord community also just before the move was about to happen. Basically, the very first candle that we saw bulls in, we already indicated that lah inside of the Discord community. All right. Before we go into today's session, again, let me go and get a glass of water, okay, because we'll be speaking quite a bit today. All right. And then I will show you guys something very neat and very cool today. Okay. Basically, just how a single line could predict what the market will be doing. Okay. If that sounds interesting, please stay tuned. Give me a moment. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, you guys enjoy the music. FBG has been cleared as teacher. Yes, yes, yes. Later we will go back again. For those that are new, first of all, thank you so much for joining today's live stream. Actually, I should be doing my intro first. Hi, my name is Guna. I've been trading for the past 3 years now. Okay, so my goal is basically to create a community of genuine traders where we all can be put in one room. Okay, that room basically is our Discord community, so that we can share predictions, share our profits, share our ideas, share our knowledge all together so that we all can grow and much, much, much stronger traders now. Okay, being in the correct environment is so important for anything, not only trading, anything you want to become. Okay, being in the correct environment is key. I believe if you see all of these motivational speeches also, right, they mention about this last, your circle. You have to be aware of that. Right? I saw the power of being in the correct community personally based on my trading experience. So if you are someone that wants to be a trader and are truly interested, okay, you really, really, really want it, okay, you came to the right place. All you have to do, again, all of this is for free. All you got to do is register in the link in the description where it says, are you ready to be a trader? It's free, 100% free. Register, okay, and then you can let me know once you're done. Okay, I will bring you inside the Discord community. Or if you once you're already done registering through that Google form, there's also a link there. Okay, it's up to you how you want it to be like. Okay, if you guys want to just speak to me, it's fine. Just speak to me, no problem. I like speaking to you guys. Okay, so again, guys, enjoy the music. Just watch the chat for me, and we'll get into more details of what happened today what potentially we may be seeing in New York session. Hopefully we can get an opportunity today, then we can enter, all right? Okay, you got enjoy music first, huh? I'll be back. Okay, are we ready to get into today's live streaming session, guys? Oh, hold on, I have to chat. Teacher, can I invite my friends to join your community? Can, of course, can. Anybody that is interested to become traders, but make sure your friends really genuinely are interested lah. Okay, because we this group, this community, we are really trying to build a genuine community who are seriously like really interested into trading, and they really want to become traders. Okay, if they are really interested to become traders, okay, then yes, please ask them to join. Everything is free, right? Just ask them to join. Okay, they are interested in trading but has no idea where to start. All right, please ask them to join the live stream so you can. Okay, then we can share some knowledges here. Okay. Okay, let's get into today's session, guys. First off, okay, we are not sure if there are anybody new watching this live stream. Okay, so allow me to break down just a little bit of what is happening and why we draw this and so on and so forth. All right. Okay, wait. Let me mark this out first. Okay. This liquidity actually is sharing two forms, H1 and H4, but let's just leave it at H4 for now. All right. Okay. One moment. All right. Okay, guys. So this is what I noticed, right, in the bigger time frame in H4. I noticed, right, we were actually in a very strong push towards the downside. This is ETH, by the way. Later we'll be going and seeing the BTC also. Okay, and then we'll be seeing also Dogecoin later on. Okay, so you guys see, so we were in a downtrend. So we all understood that. Okay, I understood that. But then suddenly, in this portion, right, of this downtrend only, I start to realize something very interesting, lah. Okay, I start to realize that, hey, actually this is showing me some sort of pattern right now. All right, so the pattern is actually related to a triangle. Okay, so then I drew my pattern and then I start to understand and realize how much is price respecting this certain pattern. Okay, so I see whenever price comes up, okay, to this zone, it pushes down. Okay, this zone it pushes down. Okay, this zone almost reach the top, but can consider because it's really just there. Okay, it pushes down. Okay, vice versa. When price comes down, it pushes up. Price comes down, it pushes up. This one pierce through. Okay, it comes down, but this pierce is basically to collect the liquidity. Now we all know this, right? Okay, price came down. Okay, I missed out one. There's one more here. Okay, so what is this doing, right? Just based on this image, guys, think about it. And just based on this image, right, we are compressing price. Okay, basically we're pushing him, we're making him tighter and tighter and tighter to a certain point. The price will be very strong enough to break through. Okay, but depend where it will break lah. Okay, so far we're seeing a break towards the upside. Okay, does that mean, oh Guna, does that mean we straight away get enter for buyer? I cannot say this lah, okay, because if we straight away enter for buy just on this could also potentially be a fake out, we call it. Okay, that's why we need to understand, did price take up liquidity? Okay, like this one, you see, when price breakthrough here, if actually went to take out liquidity, it doesn't mean it's going to go towards the downside. But the difference between this section, let me draw a circle, guys. Also today I start to learn emoji already, and then that one also I did mistake. I mentioned in the group, bulls are here, but I put a bear emoji there. Apologies for whoever actually saw that in the group. What I meant was a bull. Okay, I hope you guys got read the description. Okay, what I'm referring to is bulls, not bear. Okay, so that's why I'm not playing around with the emoji now. I want to train first. Okay, hold on, Siam. Okay, let me just leave it red line. Then red should be okay. Okay, so Siam. There's a difference now between this side break and this one. Okay, what's the difference? Okay, man, this one we put green since it's going up, right? Green. Okay, what's the difference? Can anybody be able to tell? Just based on this image, can anybody tell? The thing that I can see, okay, allow me to share it out. Okay, the thing that I can see is if you see the red color part where it breaks, right? Okay, no candle body is closing below it. Okay, the wicks, like I mentioned before, so if wicks pierce through a fair value gap, if the wicks pierce through an order block, it is okay, it is fine, it is still valid. Okay, it is still okay, but you must be very careful if a body closes below. Okay, the difference between the red color, I won't call this break. Okay, wicks is not considered break, it's just pierce for me. Okay, still something to look out for. Okay, but yeah, okay, just know that this is wicks. This one is different. This one is a body and a very strong body. Okay. There's also one more thing to be aware of. Imagine this is a body. Let me put it green, guys. Hold on. Where's the fill? Border. Okay. Background. Fill. Okay, I make it thicker. Okay. This is my green candle. Okay. Imagine, just imagine this. All right, just imagine this. This is the green candle. Okay, then we start to see a red candle. Okay, compare to we seeing this green candle. Why is showing red when it's green? Oh, sorry, that's the outline. Okay, hold on. You're impressed with my drawing. I also actually quite impressed with my drawing. Okay. Add wicks also for your straight. This thing I'm teaching to you guys is part of SMC. Okay. Last one. The first one I don't draw wicks lah. Okay. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. You see, imagine. Okay. Can I move all of this? Can. Okay. Yeah, I left 1 week. Sorry, buddy. Come, take you here. Are you? Never mind, I draw again. Just this week. Bear with me, guys. Okay, imagine only, okay. Let me make this thick. Okay, this is a break. Okay, this is a break. Okay, basically imagine price was moving up. Okay, price moving up. This is the continuation lah. Okay, then we see a break through a resistance zone that I've been holding price previously. Let's say lah, price did this. Okay, okay, price touched before and then price went all the way down. Okay, price before cannot break. I marked down also this. Let me make it super clear for you all. That's what you're here for, right? To learn, right? I also must take effort to show you guys what I'm referring to. Since we know rush lah, 9:30 only is New York session, so we still got time, guys. No worries. And this is the final break. Okay. This one I changed way down so that you can see since the candle is green. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, this one I need to move first. Bear with me, bear with me. This is very important. Okay. Let's say here. No, here halfway. Okay. Let's see. Okay, same example. Okay, exact same example. All right. Mark this up. I apologize. This circle is smaller. Let me make it same, almost same. All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for everything. The wick and the body. Yes, correct. Durga, thank you so much for joining today's live stream session. I hope your trading is going well. Correct what you say. Yes, the wick and the body. There's huge difference. Okay. So this is what I want to show you guys. Another concept here. If we see a resistance zone, okay, I told this trend line, we don't consider this as resistance, but we consider this as something that is preventing price from going up. I know the explanation means resistance, yes, okay, but we just call it trend line. Okay, we don't call it resistance, just call it trend line. Okay. So see, let's say this resistance, we see price try to break, cannot, price try to break, cannot, and then price comes in, breaks, and then you see immediately another red candle go down. Okay, this is example 1. All right, this is example 2. Okay, so it's same example, price try to break, cannot, goes down, price try to break, cannot, goes down, price try to break, and then we got another close up, and then now we're seeing a close down. Okay, this is example 2. Okay, based on this example 1 and 2, which one you guys think has a higher possibility for price to continue the trend upwards? Which one? Not 100%. I always say this, trading is never 100%. All right, it's just depending on how well we are actually experienced in the market to understand what price action is telling us. But just based on these two examples, number 1 and number 2, which one you guys think has a higher potential chance to actually break the trend line? Trend line, break this resistance zone and continue a move to the upside? Yes, Lugan, correct. 2. We all can see number 2. Okay, let me explain why. Okay, when this happens in SMC, if I'm not mistaken, this is called a swing failure structure. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, but I will confirm this, and then we also have this inside of the exclusive Discord only tutorial video. By the way, guys, I already posted that already. The admin will be sending you guys the link. Okay, that video is unlisted on my YouTube page. Just only uploaded. I'm very sorry. I was supposed to give you guys today earlier, but it took quite some time to upload because the video is an hour plus long. Okay, but it's already uploaded lah, if I'm not mistaken. The link is with the admin right now. the admin will be sending to all of those that have actually made a deposit and are trading. Okay, so once you guys go through that video, it's long, okay, because it's in depth and we never cover everything yet. Okay, there will be part 2, part 3, part 4 like that. All right, but just go with the process. All of those things I'm teaching you right now, one day you'll be able to trade. I won't say like me, better than me. All right, I want you guys to be better. All right. Okay, because there's a candle broke. Yes, correct. Look at, yes, you actually know this. Yes, correct. Number 2. Awesome. You guys actually know. Looking forward to the video. Thank you. Please give me your genuine feedback. Okay, because I did my best. Okay, because I want to make it super clear as possible. So I did it very slowly. Okay, I broke down as much as kindergarten style as I can, because I like to teach in that style so that you guys can understand it. All right, I simplified everything like crazy. So just let me know after you guys see the video. Admins will be sending you guys the link, so no worries. Okay. Okay, the difference is because when we see a breakout and then suddenly we're seeing sellers come in, okay, this potentially could just be price coming to take what? I think we all know lah. Liquidity. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, is swing failure pattern. Okay, this is what they call it SMC. All right. Vice versa. Okay, when the same example happened, but then we can still see a candle close above. Again, potentially it's not confirmed, but this has a lot higher chance to actually continue to move up. Okay. The reason why we're seeing a move down is because why? We understand the foundation of market structure, right? How is the foundation if going up? Impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. Okay. If we're seeing this move, impulse up, we must see a pullback. Then only potentially we can see a continuation to the trend. Again, it doesn't mean it won't continue the trend up, okay, because this is still considered as a break. Okay, just based on SMC, it's a weak break, they call it. Okay, it's not a strong one. If we can see candle break and then we can see another bullish candle close above, then it's considered a stronger break, something like this. Okay, so you see, and this is H4, guys. All right, based on H4, you see this one, right, is break. Okay, now you see this one also got close. After this first break happened, we also had a bullish candle close. Okay, yes, not a very strong candle, but still considered as a bullish candle. That's why I give this example. I want it to be similar, so I can explain to you guys, and then you guys can understand it now. All right, but then we're seeing a big bearish candle come down. Okay, and then now the market price is again inside of the triangle. Like I said, this is only a potential that we can see a powerful move up. Okay, maybe, okay, price could actually continue where? Inside the triangle until they reach a certain point, and then only you choose to either break, either down or up lah. Okay, better draw down or up. Then you guys say, "Good, I say going down." Okay, down or up. All right. Okay, this could potentially happen also. I will share why. Okay, like I said, traders, we don't see only one direction. Please don't do this. I explained this many times during our live session. We always see two sides. Okay, the buying opportunity and the selling opportunity. Okay, just give percentages to yourself. Our percentages don't have to be the same. If I think buying is 70% and then selling is 30%, correct? 70, 80, 90, yes. Okay, selling 30%, buying 70%. You can be buying maybe 60 or 50%, selling 50%, or buying 40%, selling 60%. Trading is what? Rubik's Cube. Okay? Everybody can win. Alright? So you see, I give my prediction first of why I potentially think, okay, again, my percentage for going up is 60%. Alright? The reason is because this is a H4 chart. We all know this, right? Oh my god. Now I realize how messy the chart looks. Okay, wait. Let me take a screenshot. For me, it looks pretty. God, I'm so proud of my drawing. Okay, wait. Let me save this somewhere. Okay, until you'll see my Instagram, sure I post one. One moment. Wait. We'll continue, okay? Don't worry. Listen, I need to show self-love, for my art. See, wow, so proud of my candles, so pretty. I hope you guys had dinner already, lah. Okay, because now also quite late already. You guys can answer, Guna, how about you? You had dinner already? Yeah, I had already. Thank you guys. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, now we continue. I already saved my art already. Okay, so now I want to delete. That's why I want to save it. So it won't cut down our view. Okay. Okay. The reason why I think potentially price 60% lah, okay, of my bias is actually towards the upside. It is only because price have been staying inside of this triangle that we are able to analyze for quite some time. This is 4-hour chart. Okay, you see, if I go to see since when, the 3rd of February, guys. Today is the 13th of February. 10 days. 10 days, price was only able to trade within this triangle for 10 days. All right. Every time when price reaches the tip of the trend line, right, that form the triangle, there is a force that is pushing price back inside. Okay. Vice versa, whenever the candle, right, is trending towards the downside of the trend line that is forming this triangle, something is pushing price back up. All right. But the thing is, it's not pushing price very high. Same time, it's not pushing price very low. It is purposely pushing only to a certain level to stay in this formation of the triangle line. Okay. Okay, so this is why I am seeing finally after 10 days, okay, of price being compressed in this triangle, okay, finally we're seeing very strong bulls come in and manage to break through and close above. And we also have another bullish candle that is closing above also after 10 days. All right, now I'm seeing this pullback. This pullback, like I said, could potentially just be a pullback lah. Okay, or it can go back inside of the triangle. Okay, this can also happen. I will share again lah, the second scenario why potentially it can go back in the triangle. I will explain. Okay, so you can see when price already breaks through the triangle and then we're seeing strong candle close above. Right now, if this is a pullback and price respects a certain level, and then we're seeing bulls come in the market, then yes, this will continue up. That is why 60%. I predict it will go up. Okay, because finally we're seeing a strong break. Vice versa. And now I give my sell. Not sell, but I give my prediction of why potentially price could actually still trade inside of the triangle. Something maybe just pushing price back. Because this is a fair value gap. Okay, we understand that this is a fair value gap. I'll show you guys. Okay, see in H1. Okay, in H1, we say this is a fair value gap zone. Okay, the highest point. I just draw the line so it won't be too messy. I did draw too many things. Okay, now let me delete the arrows. Delete the arrow. Okay, this is the only arrow, right? Okay, I did this also, so then you can see easier. Okay, okay. You see, this is the fair value gap. If you guys want me to draw the box so it'll be clearer for you to see, okay, I'll try to do that. Wow, my box is so colorful. Wait, I changed FPG. Alright, I got template already. See, this is the fair value gap. This is basically the zone lah. Okay, price came in and filled the zone, but price didn't manage to take out this liquidity area. Or did it? Let me see. The high is 279750. 2795. No, never. So close, but never managed to take out the H4 liquidity. Oh, H1 liquidity. This H1 and H1 share the same liquidity. It never managed to take out liquidity. It just filled the gap. Okay, so price came in, filled this gap. Price also respected this order block zone. This is also order block, guys. For those that don't know, this is actually an order block. Hold on, let me put this in. Okay, the price filled this FVG, okay, fair value gap. Price respected the order block, and then we're starting to see a move down. Okay, this is why I potentially also can be thinking that price is still going to continue and trade within this triangle, maybe until the tip also. Who knows? Okay, because number one, price maybe just went up to clear the fair value gap. That is all. Okay, same thing happened here. Price came down just to take out liquidity. That's it. He just came to take out liquidity. This is also the same. Price came down just to take out this liquidity area here. Let me draw for you. Let me be clear. See, this is just came to take out this liquidity. Okay, this one here, you see. Show you. This is the liquidity range. Price just came to take out this liquidity. Price came to take out this liquidity. Okay, price is basically clearing the sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity as much as it can. But of course lah, we know lah, on top here all still got a lot of liquidity zone that never take yet. But the downside liquidity majority already taken. You see now, can you guys understand now why I say 60% of my bias is towards the upside? Because majority of the liquidity price right now has been sweeping lah for the past 10 days is the sell side. Okay, all of this liquidity, okay, all of this, let me use my highlighter. All of this liquidity has been taken out already by this guy. Then this side liquidity has been taken out by this already. Then this side liquidity has been taken out by this already. Can you see? Oh, sorry. This liquidity is the only one pending now. This one. Sorry, that's too small. Where is my circle? This is the only form of liquidity that is yet to be taken. Okay, of course lah, we have this also. Okay, these are the low ones. Okay, of course we have this also. I'll show you the buy side. Okay, we have these three major liquidity areas that is yet to be taken, but everything else price to this one. Okay, I'll show you the buy side. One, never take. This one, two, yes, never take. This one, three, never take. This one taken already by this. Okay, is it? Oh no, not yet also. This is the one almost never take, consider. Now we have a new liquidity, never take. Can you see how many? If we count all of this, then gone lah. So many more lah. Okay, but all of these liquidity ranges, never take. I should label these or green, then it won't confuse you. Wait, huh? How nice if you can select all. Maybe I can, I just don't know how. If you guys know, you'll teach me. My cat talking to me. Hi, Disney. I'm not sure if you guys can hear or not, but she's saying hi. Okay, so you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are major liquidity areas. This is not sunshine liquidity. This is major liquidity areas that has not been swept. Alright? Price never take any of this out yet. But the downside liquidity means sell side liquidity, a lot has been swept. Only these three are the pending ones where price didn't sweep yet. Okay? This one, okay, this one, so I missed out this. This is also considered. Never sweep yet. Okay? Can you see? So there's more liquidity towards the upside, which price didn't sweep at all. But downside, a lot is being swept. Okay, the sell side, a lot is being swept. Okay, let me now delete everything, all of my effort I delete. Wait, guys. Okay, I teach you guys in clean chart. I mean, it's good. And only you guys can understand it better. Okay, arrows are the one we already understand. These are the one. All of these arrows, I know this one I can select all. Bye bye. Okay, so we understood that. So this is why 60% of my bias is towards the upside. But like I said, don't give 100% to anything in trading, especially. Okay, everything you must give percentage, half. All right. So the other reason why it could be going down is because, like I said, price is respecting this order block in the H4 time frame. Okay, and it went to fill up also the H4 fair value. H1 fair value gap that has been here for quite some time now. But price failed to take out the liquidity resting in H4. Okay, another thing we should look at. Okay, why also 60% is towards the upside. This is also another thing. So price came below equilibrium level. Okay, once price is below this level, I said this few times before. Okay, we mentioned the term before. Okay, what is this, guys? The below one. What is this? What is this? This one here. Okay. You guys can remember or not? Wait, I check in the chat first. Okay, we have questions. Wait, So can you explain on this liquidity taken you are referring to? Okay, the liquidity, you mean the H4, is it? This one, right? The liquidity here. Okay, so the liquidity I'm actually referring to, okay, if I draw a line, okay, just imagine this. Okay, is if I just draw this straight line, okay, anything this is not exact, okay, it's not exact a straight line, I mean not exact in the middle point, okay, but anything below the line, okay, basically you can think of it as sell side liquidity. Anything above it you can consider it as buy side liquidity. Again, don't worry, you know the video that I said, the exclusive video that is already posting right now in the background. I think it's already done. You guys will receive the link to that. Okay, I got explain this, I got give example about this. You guys won't get confused already after it. If you are confused, please let me know. Okay, I will teach you guys some more. All right, in the video I got explained, but to just briefly say about what kind of liquidity am I referring to is the liquidity points that I am able to identify based on my personal trading strategy. Okay, so all of the liquidities that I can see right now, okay, this one move down, the reason why it went to this low, right, okay, is just to sweep the liquidity. And if you ask me, how much of liquidity actually this one swept? All of this liquidity, everything here, okay, millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars, this one move taken all of it. Okay, of course lah, this one first take out all of this, okay, but to generalize it, this move completed all of the liquidity sweep here, just this one move here. Okay, this one, where is my highlighter again? This move here, right, it managed to sweep a lot of only up to here lah. Okay, this one still no, this one still pending. This one move managed to take all the liquidity here. Liquidity basically means we know the funds, right? But the thing I'm focused on is why is price, right, purposely taking out majority of the sell side liquidity? Why is the buy side liquidity not really being taken out? Especially this one. This was the closest one for price to take out, but didn't. See, on here, look at this. Look, it never managed to take out. Why is my question? Not even one. It never take. Of course lah. This one of course got lah. The inside one got lah. But the one that is respecting the trend line, those liquidity is not really being taken out yet. Okay, so I'm wondering why. So this is all like hints, tips that the price actually would show us lah. But again, it's not confirmed. Like I said, we also have 40% bias of price moving down. Okay, or even price just continuing to trade within this triangle. Okay, I hope that clarified. Okay, understand. Okay, I appreciate that. What is the confirmation saying? It has has not been swept. Very easy, like just now I said. Okay, once we are able to identify, there is a way how to identify liquidity areas. Okay, the video will explain. Okay, I will do more in-depth training also for you guys. Okay, I'll try to do live training for you guys also, so that I can share with you, so you guys don't have to be confused anymore how to find liquidity. Where is major liquidity? Where is internal liquidity? Okay, which liquidity is more important? Why are they more important? All of this you all will understand. Okay, if you see price go above the liquidity zone, okay, and then just come down straight away, or vice versa, if the liquidity is in the sell side, price went below and then straight away start to move in the opposite direction, that is basically a liquidity hunt. Price only move down or up just to take out liquidity. That's it. Okay, the liquidity is basically the main driver of price. All right, like the previous high, yes, but again, there is only certain very important liquidity ranges that we have to look at. Okay, and price will show us which one is important. There's a way how to identify that. All of that you guys will gain access to learn. Okay, pricing push up, that is why seller's side liquidity is being swept. Yes, sell side liquidity we know is down, right? Okay, buy side liquidity we know is up. Okay, so whenever the price come down, this is actually a I cannot say wrong understanding, or I cannot say misunderstanding, but is a common understanding for many traders. Okay, the common understanding is, let me draw. I learning to draw a lot thanks to you guys lah. Okay, let's say price goes down. Okay, price goes down, purposely just come down here, and then suddenly we see him move up. Okay, we understand that maybe, okay, based on prehistorical data, there could be some sort of liquidity that has been resting here for quite some time. All right, price purposely came down all the way just to eat that liquidity, And then once he's full already, he can decide either he want to move continue down or he want to go and take out the buy side liquidity. Why I say he can continue down? Because you see this example, how many sell side liquidity has been taken, but price never go to take out the buy side liquidity, the major ones yet. This is why I say it depends. It's not 100% after take out sell side liquidity, confirm he will go buy side. No, that's not it. Okay, trading is a Rubik's cube. Remember that. All right. So when we see this thing happen, okay, they come to take out the sell side liquidity, okay, then only we have to wait and see what will price unfold, what will price do, okay. We can actually see this lah, because based on the move structure, how price reacts to certain things, or we can actually identify. And then whenever we're seeing a move down, okay, and then sell side liquidity has been taken already, right? This here, this one is actually a trendline liquidity also. Again, the in-depth video which you guys will receive the link, okay, to the unlisted video on my YouTube page. You guys will learn this. Okay, this one I will teach that. All right. This is channel liquidity. This is also a liquidity range, which is another fuel for price to go out and take the buy side liquidity. But the thing that I'm saying about the misunderstanding or how to say conclusion that people give is, when price move down to take out sell side liquidity, okay, people say sellers win. Okay, what if I told you that is not 100% the case? I also actually got I won't say blown away, but like, really? This is what I thought my whole trading career so far. Like, I've been trading for 15 years, but 3 years lah, 3 years, huh? My trading career, this is what I believed in, that if price go down, sellers win. Okay, they purposely want to push until a certain point, and then buyers will come in. Okay, but when I learned something else, more in depth about this understanding, is not 100% true. What if I told you if price move down, actually buyers win, and if price move up, actually means sellers win? Would that confuse you? It did for me for a while. Then when I understand the concept behind it, then I was like, oh, this is what is actually happening in the market. This is why market moved down and after I move up. So actually means buyers are winning. But then when the market move up, actually means sellers are winning. But don't worry, okay? All of these in-depth secrets of the market, okay, I will explain to you guys. All right? I will explain to you guys exclusively in our Discord community lah. So for those that are new and interested about what I just said, okay, you guys want to also understand this in-depth, how to say, market makers insight, okay? Please, if you're interested to be a trader, first of all, that is always number one. Please register in the Google form link that I actually placed in the description below, 100% for free. And then after that, you guys will be joined. You guys can actually join the Discord community. Okay, then we will be able to learn together all of these in-depth market maker secrets all together. Okay, so we can build more genuine and powerful traders. All right, Duga, no worries, you guys will understand what I mean by that. Okay, when market goes to take sell side, actually means buyers are winning. When market goes to take out sell side, buy side actually means sellers are winning. Okay, the understanding may be confusing now because we know buy means go up, sell means go down. So go down means by right seller is supposed to win. Okay, it's actually a little bit the opposite. All right, you guys, I will teach you guys. Don't worry. Okay, we have slides all for that. Don't worry. Okay, so now we go back here. Let me see if I answer all the questions now. Pricing push up is why sellers are good to be. Okay, all already answered already. Huh? That was me. What was I doing? Oh yes. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys remember this or not lah. Okay, this is another reason why 60% of my bias is still towards the upside. All right, I will just say, this is discount. I cannot believe some people they charge thousands just to teach this thing. This is literally just so easy to teach. Premium. Okay. Oh, sorry. I delete this already. I'm supposed to delete this. Hey, I was in the background. Okay. Okay. So the middle line is basically the equilibrium level line. Okay. So when price comes into discount, buyers are okay, the ones that actually manage to break this triangle. Okay, and now we're seeing a potential pullback. It could be a reversal, so we're not sure, but let's say it's a pullback because we are now speaking about our 60% buyers. Okay, price is also inside discount zone. Okay, so now we put together, we tie together our analysis for the buy side first. Okay, see, this trend line that is forming a triangle has kept price inside of it for the past 10 days now. Okay, price has tried multiple times, okay, to break it but didn't. However, today price managed to break through and close. Not only close, they also managed to have another mini bullish candle before we seeing sellers come back in. Okay, so that means finally price managed to break, and it's a strong break also. Okay, that's number one, bias. Number two, based on our understanding of a bullish market structure, when we see an impulse, we will see pullback. You see impulse, we see pullback. Right now, what we are seeing is an impulse, and the bearish candle right now pulling down could be okay a pullback. So it passed lah the one prediction of this foundation possibly being formed right now. Okay, we're catching it early. All right, that is number two. Number three, majority of the buy side liquidity has not really been swept. Okay, this one, this one, these ones, they're not being swept. Majority of the sell side liquidity are the ones that are being swept. Okay, this is number three. Okay, why? Always must ask this question, why? What is price trying to tell us? Okay, number four, price also came into equilibrium level when the pullback occurs, potential pullback lah, okay? And price is right now sitting and resting inside of the discount zone where market makers, okay, are interested to potentially enter for a buy opportunity because why? Price is cheap. Whenever price moves up, you see all of this thing become blue, okay? The higher it goes, the more expensive it becomes, okay? Vice versa, if my price moves down, you see all these blue things, the lower it is, the cheaper price gets, okay? So it's even more cheaper for the market makers to enter since they already managed to push price, right? So now they can potentially enter again if they want. And so far, what are we seeing? What color candle are we seeing? Again, too early to say because 2 hours or more, then we can understand what will this candle close, what will it show. But so far, what are we seeing? A bullish candle, right? Forming, okay? Because why? We are in discount zone. Okay? So this is 4 buyers that I currently have, okay, towards the buy side. Now we talk about sell side, the 40%. Okay? So sell side wise, I can understand that again, I always have use this trend line, okay? In this trend line, price tried to break through it multiple times, okay? Finally, price managed to break through, and then we're seeing a potential pullback, like I said, okay, to form a bullish trend. However, I also can notice in H1 there has been a fair value gap and also an order block zone and also a liquidity area which failed to take okay. Oh yeah, this is part of the 60% also. I forgot to say number 5. The closest liquidity range also price never managed to take. If price managed to take and then we're seeing a strong push down, that means there's just a liquidity grab, but it never take. Okay, so this one also could be a magnet that eventually will be pulling price up. Sorry, I confused. I talking about sell, then suddenly I go back to buy. Now we go back to sell. Okay. So I understand that this trend line has been holding price quite some time, and then price suddenly breaks through. But price potentially just is collecting this, not collecting, filling up this fair value gap, and then we potentially may be seeing price go back inside of the triangle and trend within the triangle, maybe until the edge of the triangle. Who knows? Okay, this is number 1. Okay, number 2. I can understand. Okay, other than just collecting this fair value gap, there is also a very significant order block because this is a bigger time frame order block. Okay, in H1, bigger time frame order blocks, right? They hold more strength and also hold more respect like the price. So when I see price cannot even collect this liquidity range, that means this order block is very strong. Okay, based on this strong order block alone, our price could continue its downward trend. But that is what is happening right now, lah. Okay, but we're not sure how low it will go. Like I said, this one also could be a foundation of a bullish trend. So this is my bias for the second part. Okay, number 3 bias. There are still certain liquidity ranges, okay, that has not been swept by price, even though a lot of the sell side has been swept. Okay, this one was resting since the 10th of February, 3 days. Okay, this one is quite new. This one is yesterday only. Okay, and then this one is on the 3rd of February. Okay, basically the start of this trend. So these major liquidity areas have not been swept by price also. And then overall trend, again, this is number 3. Number 4, bias. Overall trend, we cannot not respect it or not acknowledge it. We are moving down. See how long we are moving down. We have been moving down for very, very long time. We have been moving down. Okay, so we cannot not respect that. All right, but price has been moving down for really a long time now. So based on these things is why I think price potentially could be moving towards the downside. Okay, if you guys ask me for targets, okay, Guna, we understand that. So where can we aim if price is moving down? Okay, like I said, this is the 2 safe liquidity areas that you guys can aim if you're going for a sell. Okay, depending on how price reacts. Okay, if you're going for buy, just maintain this one first. Okay, this liquidity range. What number is this? Wait on. So difficult to do this. Wait on. This is why I don't play computer games. Because sure I will lose all the time. I cannot even put the cursor correctly. Okay, never mind. I found something else. I can do this actually. This number, guys, easy. Settle. 2798.07. Okay, this is the correct. Let me check. 2798. I think should be correct. 2798.47 right just now. Okay, 2798.4.47. This is the buy side liquidity that you guys could potentially be aiming for a buy. All right. Don't simply trade, then straight away bye. Okay, we want to buy or sell, not bye. The key in trading is what? Of course, making money. But other than that is what? To make money, you need capital. So protect your capital. But it doesn't mean don't trade. You must trade to become trader. Okay, but don't go simply all in all. Okay, I have to be honest, I don't have any right to tell whatever you guys want to do because I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm just a trader. I'm just sharing my knowledge because I want to build more genuine traders. Okay, that's my goal. All right. But as an advice, okay, trader to trader, please don't simply enter for full margin and all of this. Okay, money will come. Just trust that. Okay, if you guys follow, you guys are determined to learn. You guys sacrifice your time. Okay, put in effort, practice. Money will follow on. All right, trading is money, right? So it will follow. Don't worry. Let me see. Chat price pushing up. That is why seller side liquidity being swept. Yes, but then there's a more in-depth understanding to it lah. Okay, again, don't worry. You are already in the Discord community. I know. Okay, the inner circle part of it. Actually, we'll be creating a channel only for you guys. So I will share a lot more daily mapping and in-depth details there, as what I'm currently doing in the Discord community lah. Okay, the main group. If you guys think that also I'm sending a lot, okay, it will be a lot more in detail when we have that group. Okay, most probably by today or tomorrow the channel will be created. All of you guys only will be included there. Okay. Also, line getting more and more pro. Yeah. All of you actually. I see you guys earn profit share in the group. Very happy to see. Very happy to see. Good job, guys. Okay, 4 minutes. New York session starts. So, you guys understand this concept already? Let me delete all of this. Okay, family gaps no need. Okay, this trend line. Okay, maybe I delete the top one first. The reason is because I don't want it to disturb our view. Okay, let's just analyze a little bit. I give you guys to listen. I'll let you guys listen to the music first. Let me analyze. Then by 9:30, let's see. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, 9:30 already. So new session is already up now. So let me just show you guys a little bit. Okay. So bears basically were present in this candle here in Asia session. So this one we got highlighted inside of our Discord community today. Okay. Even in London session also, okay, we saw bears. So bears were present here, also here, but there's a reason why I never highlighted this zone is because it's still towards the end of London. I personally prefer to see either bears or bulls showing their sign, okay, in these individual sessions. Okay, personally, I like to see this. This is just personal preference. Remember, Rubik's Cube, don't have to follow me, okay? However, you guys like to play the Rubik's Cube, up to you guys. It's never right or wrong thing. It's just your own personal preference. My preference is like that. I like to see bears in that session and not towards the end of it because it's going to end. So a new session is about to take over. So I won't know who is in control, who has the power, okay? Who has the pockets to enter. So bears were showing here lah. Like we noticed lah recently, Asia is more stronger than London. So weird. I don't know why. But usually London is always stronger. Okay, so Asia was a very beautiful move down. London a little bit choppy, okay, because there was no real point of entry because price didn't came to any form of mitigation, didn't respect anything. It just took its time to go down. This very slow move down. Okay, Asia there was also not really a lot of opportunities lah to enter. All right, I cannot really find much of an opportunity to enter, but this move here, this one could be an opportunity. Okay, this is the only selling opportunity that I could see. Okay, this one also. This one actually kind of came into mitigation also. Okay. Yeah, this one came into mitigation also. So this one could be another selling opportunity. So Asia got two opportunities. This one not that clear, but it's considered an opportunity here. And then this one is a clear one. Okay. So Asia, we have two opportunities. London, no. I never see any form of clear mitigation happening. Okay. We are seeing what I noticed, right, is based on H1. This is actually also a H1 lah. Okay, a major liquidity range. Price memang came to swap. Okay, this area. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys this. See, I learned how to put the emoji. Now add more emoji. You know, yeah, new emoji in chat. I learned today. I purposely YouTube how to add emoji in TradingView because my fellow trading friends, right, especially those in Taiwan, they put like McDonald's, French fries. They are very pro traders, but they put this. I like, wow, so nice. I should try that. You know, so now is this. Later we see lah what food I put. Fried chicken or I put lah. If I find out how, okay. So you guys never eat dinner, your fault lah. I'll make you hungry. Okay, so you see, we are seeing what? Bears in Asia are very strong, bears in London very strong. Based on our bigger time frame, the H4, just now, what we are able to identify, we were in an impulse move up. Potentially, we are seeing a pullback. Okay, so it makes sense. Okay, especially in H4. So it makes sense in the smaller time frame for us to see a strong push down. It makes sense. All right. The only thing now that concerns me is after price actually swept this H1 liquidity, we are not seeing any strong signs of a push towards the upside or even, to be honest, towards the downside. So we are still potentially seeing bears in control. Okay. And then also not enough candle for us to understand who is in control for New York session because literally we are looking at one candle only right now. Okay, but still we don't have a significant move. Okay, and then this thing that I actually drew here, this is basically mitigation in the H1 area. Okay, and I also able to identify in H1 we have an unfinished, unfilled fair value gap. Okay, this point. So these are all I just letting you guys know the potential places of where price may be heading to. We just need to see which one price reacts. Okay, okay, not filled. Sorry, not filled. Right. Fair value gap not filled, but it has been tapped into lah. Okay, because why? This is the start of the fair value gap. Okay, see, price came and tapped inside. Okay, now we're seeing a nice move lah to the upside so far. Okay, so price came and tapped inside already our fair value gap. So if we start to see, okay, more things like I just want to see a little bit more things. Okay, I can also see this liquidity range being taken out already. Okay, let me see. This is ETH, by the way, guys. I wanted to go through other charts also today. But CC, we spoke only in H4, so how long? Let me see. 1 hour already. 1 hour alone, we spoke in H4, guys. Okay, so you see, even though we see this H1 liquidity being taken, okay, this one is an M5 liquidity being taken, okay. This strong move up, okay, don't lose sight of it. This is also could be a form of liquidity range. In 8 minutes, the 15 minutes will be closing. 3 minutes, the 5 minute will be closing. Then we will be able to identify and understand. Okay, there are quite a few liquidity ranges here. We just have to see which one is the more proper one that actually got respected. Okay, let's see. Let me draw this one so far. Looks good. Okay, let's see this one. This one also looks good. Our job is basically as traders to identify and understand which area or which zone is showing us who is coming in control. Sometimes it can be too early because you see we only have 2 candles. Unless we go 1 minute, and then we can see a bit more. Okay, in 1 minute is a bit more clear. It gives us clarity that to understand that price went up. Okay, it never really went to sweep the downside liquidity. This is a moment when New York session came in, basically open. Okay, after you swept the buy side liquidity, then you also swept the sell side liquidity. So right now we don't know We don't know which side is going to go yet, and that's okay. We still have time. Well, not only the starting, right? So we just have to wait and see. Okay, we just have to be patient. We just have to be the fisherman right now. Okay, this one is the entry point. Sell side, sell side. Let me see if I can identify anything else. Guys, this one the low is 261.70. Is it 261 2651.70? Low is 2652. No, now it's not yet. It's very normal for price to bounce the moment when a new session comes in. Either it can be London or it can be Asia. But London so far, tahu pakai lah. Boring lah London. Very very boring. Look at how beautiful Asia. See how big now. See London. See the previous day one. See how small. See Asia. At least got movement, you know. Oh, London, what is this? Last time only want to go with some big movement. See Asia. See London. So slow. Oh my god. Okay lah, I think I gotta change my trading time already lah. Okay, maybe tomorrow I'll wake up earlier. Okay, I won't wake up at 11 or 12. I'll wake up earlier, and then I will send to you guys lah, like an Asia session or opportunity. Okay, I'll do my part. I'll do my best. We have 5 minutes for the 15-minute candle to close. Okay, so far we're seeing two liquidities lah. Okay, ranges lah in the smaller time frame being swept. So potentially, so far the signs lah is showing too early to say, but so far I'm seeing bears so far. Okay, still too early to say. Because if I see bears also, actually it's not a shocking thing lah. Because like I said, there's a fair value gap below that's not been filled yet. It doesn't have to fill, but at least mitigate it lah. At least lah. Okay, so mitigation we have it here also, roughly here. This is also mitigation area. Okay, as long as price come to this level and then it starts to shoot all the way, it doesn't fill it up, it's okay. At least the fair value gap has been mitigated. Okay, we're starting to see a push down. Okay, this is the new candle in 15 minutes. How long? Some more? 4 minutes. Some more. 1 minute. Okay, this one really looks like a very clean liquidity sweep. That's the only reason why it went up. Very very clean one. So I think maybe bears are in control, guys. Okay, but still have to be aware of something. This step is dangerous, you know. Okay, but of course lah, even though it tapped and it took out a major liquidity range, okay, we're not seeing any strong reaction anywhere. Okay, so you can use that as a how to say, a safety, not safety, how to say, what's the term, what's the word, how to say, something to, never mind, I forgot the word already. If I remember, I'll tell you guys. Maybe I need to eat more. If you guys wondering, Guna, why are you drinking water in a cup with a straw? Because I want to feel special today, guys. Okay, today is special day. So that's why I want to drink like that. I feel special when I drink like this. You see, price is quite slow so far. 3 more minutes, guys. Okay, never mind. We end the session after we are able to identify a few more things. So let's listen to some music first, okay? Then we just watch the chat, okay? Any questions you guys have, just ask in the chat. I'll help to reply. this year has the New York session changes time for this year? Okay, actually it's not this year. It shifts based on the daylight saving. Based on daylight saving, it changes. Sometimes it's 10:30, sometimes 9:30. So I believe in March next month, right? It will go back to 10:30. So as of now, it's 9:30 p.m. 8:30. 8:30. I'm not 100% sure if it's 8:30 or not, because usually New York session starts at 9:30 p.m. for Malaysia time lah. Okay, I understand that it can get confusing, especially because the we are using, I believe, the Greenwich timeline lah. Yeah, so that is why it's a bit confusing lah. Usually it's 9:30 for Malaysia for New York session, and then 10:30 also, but it depends lah. Okay, on the month, certain months. But don't worry, later I will all of these very important things, right? That you guys, I want you as traders to be aware of in our brand new channel. Okay, where you guys lah basically will be put inside there. Okay, I will find a way how I can pin it or something. Okay, so you guys can always make sure you are aware of certain things, whatever is happening. Also, I go and check, right? There's actually a news today at 9:30, PPI, and then also unemployment claims that. Okay, so for unemployment claims, usually is a very big thing. And then forecasted was 217K. Okay, the outcome was 213K. So that means it's actually good for US. And then PPI also was actually good. PPI is also good. Okay, so for those that don't know, PPI stands for Producer Price Index. Okay, so all good lah, basically I see for US. So now we're seeing a move down. Okay, guys, let's see if we can understand now. So far, what we know, Asia, bears in control. London, bears in control. Is this potential a bearish footmark also? Later we'll find out. Let's see. Bears. Okay, potential here, we gotta see. But so far it's seemed that way lah. If we go down to zero, again, we should not be surprised. The reason being is because we have a fair value gap based on the bigger time frame that has not been filled yet. Okay. And then we have few mitigation areas, so to wait and see lah what price will do. Okay, give me a moment, guys. Let me go and just cross check for BTC. Let's go BTC. BTC is actually showing also signs of bears in the market. Okay, this closes in another 1 minute. If this closes right up nicely, right, BTC is also showing a form of trendline liquidity here. Beautiful trendline liquidity. But again, it depends if it closes with the week. For ETH, I cannot see a trendline liquidity, but of course there are liquidity ranges below. And then we can able to identify the fair value can also. Oh, sorry. Let me try to see if I can find any form of manipulation or not. Okay, let me turn this on and we can understand, identify. Okay, so obviously sellers were in control because like they move, they kind of correlate with each other. Let me see. So far, I'm not seeing any much significant now. I'm just seeing that they are correlating. Both also is showing bears in the market. Let me see, small token, what can we identify, guys? Sweep, seeing a move up, okay. We're seeing a fair value gap getting disrespected, okay. This is what we're going to see if we're moving towards the downside, okay. So, guys, actually, it looks like we are moving down, okay. It seems that way because we can see bears actually took in control. They went to sweep liquidity as of now in this early stage, and then I can see that even though we see the strong move up, okay, this fair value gap has been disrespected, and now this has been turned into an inverse fair value gap. So let's just wait and see when price come back into the zone. If it comes back into the zone, how will it react? Will it respect or not? If it respect, then potentially you guys can be aiming for a sell. Okay, so I even put this here, and then let's see what will happen. 1, 2, 3. Okay, roughly here. DJ, the PPI is considered a big impact news. Hold on. Yes, there's news today. Oh, awesome lah. Good lah. You keep track of that. That's how it should be as a trader. Very nice. That's how we all learn and grow together. It's so nice. Thank you guys for helping out each other. PPI. Actually, any news, okay, I make it simplified. Okay, I don't want to be like those traders or those mentors or like name specific news on. Okay, whenever news you see in Forex Factory that is labeled red, be careful. Simplify. Okay, does not make trading very complicated where you have to memorize what is the news name. Okay, so you have to go and cross check. Hey, is it this news? Is it part of the list? No need. Whatever news you see that is labeled red, okay, be careful. Okay, also orange. Orange also will have some impact, not as strong, but still impact. What are we trading, guys? You must understand, you must ask yourself. We are trading intraday. We are trading from as low as 1 minute to 5 minute time frames. Okay, when we do this as traders, right, it's best for us to be careful. Okay, it's best for us to understand this news all. But good job lah, you are actually looking at the news. That's awesome. Cause I don't see much movement today. Yeah. Not much yet, but then New York always quite sketchy one. They sometimes they won't really move that quick, and then at 10 o'clock or even sometime 11, you suddenly see a very big move. Okay, because 10 o'clock also is the stock exchange, if I'm not mistaken, opens 10 p.m. 10 p.m. or 10:30. So there'll be another big move. I used to trade news for gold last time, and the movement was like crazy. Gold sure have big movement one. Nice to go and see it. We simply go and stock gold for it. You see, gold always a big movement one. You see, gold is moving down. Okay, guys, you want to go sell means can no for gold, because this one is a very clear sign like bear is in power lah. Okay, you guys want to ask me where is the liquidity range? If gold is moving like this low, it already take out London low. Okay, be careful. Okay, because London low has been taken out already. But if we continue to go down, you guys can aim for safe one. This one already taken out. This one already taken out. You guys can potentially aim for Asia low. Asia low. Okay, but just be aware there are a few liquidity ranges that have been taken out already. Okay, but bears are showing their presence here. Okay. Where are we? ETH, right? Okay. Oh, sorry, we went 1 minute. Price came very near, you guys. What is price doing? Price is tapped into our fair value gap. Okay, we have a fair value gap here also. Okay, price tapped into the fair value gap already, but not mitigated yet. Let's see. Let me make this thinner so then we can see it. Okay. See what it does here for that. I mean, this is the main one. So this one become the inverse already. This is the main one. Did it tap? Sorry, all my colors. I gotta make this light again. Okay, this one I delete first. No, it almost tapped lah. Okay, but it mitigated the current fair value gap already. Just keep that in mind, guys. See, we're saying rejection. Let me see the chat. Also, other than PPI, I saw there's another news happening at the same time, which is underground. Yes, that one is actually using big improvement, big movement one. Usually it's very big movement. That's why you see gold usually react first. Guys, you're seeing bears coming in. Wait and see how this candle close. If it close quite strong towards the downside, we can go for sell for ETH. Sometimes the market starts to get crazy after news. Yes, and sometimes after the news happened, you will see a small impact. Okay, then after that, suddenly, boom, you fly either up or down. Okay, this has happened quite a few times before. All right, this is just because the news collected the data already. Okay, he know already what he want to do. Suddenly, he will move. Okay, that's why it's very important for us to keep an eye out. Okay, just open one eye only. See the news, another eye, you see the chart. If you can do that, very pro. If you can do that, please teach me. Okay, see, candle is actually now touching inside of the inverse parallel again. Maybe I change the color for this, then we can see it better. Blue. There's a new candle forming right now. Okay, we're seeing a nice possible turning over candle, reversal candle. All right, possible one. Let's just see how price reacts first. Then we decide on enter or not. Be patient, guys. Fisherman, remember. Time frame a bit bigger lah. Okay, 5 minutes lah. Okay, price is currently in mitigation also, so just keep that in mind. Oh, sorry. Apparently, I was trying to answer this question about the risk management one, but I was on mute. Okay. Sorry, where was I? You asked about the risk one. I guess you can potentially enter because we're seeing banks are actually showing their signs in the market already. Okay, but try to put in your stop loss quite little. Okay, because but if price wants to continue down, price should respect this area. Okay, this is what we must understand. If price down to respect this area, then we are not potentially seeing a selling opportunity here. Okay. Hold on, guys. I have a chat. Give me one moment. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, there. If you guys enter sell, congratulations, you guys are right now in profit right now. Okay, so the TP, you guys can aim here. Okay, at least it's fair value gap. Just remember to save yourself by putting BE. Okay, you guys actually can place BE. Not yet. Okay, but again lah, trading is anything lah. You guys want to just exit the trade also can. You guys want to how to say to place the BE. Okay, up to you. However you guys want, anything also can. Okay, let me answer this question. One moment. Okay, so about risk management, right? Yes, a very important thing about risk management, based on my own experience. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. Guys, remember set BE, if you enter already right now, okay? Or just take out the whole trade. It's okay. There's no right or wrong. Okay, even though we predict it will go up to this level, actually I predict it can go even lower, at least mitigation area. But again, trading is up to you, okay, as the individual trader. Where was I? In terms of risk management wise, the way how I manage my risk, yes, how much are we actually going to risk on this trade is important. Okay, understanding our capital, understanding our profile, okay, understanding which markets are we actually trading. All of these are very, very important things. Yes, correct. But the way how I manage it, right, is like these kind of things. I mark out my stuff. I understand who is in power. Like this cute bear right now, he's in power. Okay, let's call him Paddington. Okay, Paddington is very cute bear, right? Okay, Paddington is in power right now. And then I just draw and understand, okay, this where what is being disrespected, okay, and then this one now becomes an inverse, okay, the price also went inside it, and then it filled up this fair value gap beautifully, not fully, but at least mitigated it, okay. There are all of the beautiful signs that is happening that I want to see, okay, all of these things very nice to see. So on top of this, how I manage my risk is I like to wait for confirmation, okay. I always protect my capital. Number one, I never overtrade anymore. Number two, I always wait for confirmation. This one I told you guys to enter here when this second candle closed already. If you guys did, congrats. I believe you guys are earning profits right now lah. Okay. If you are means, please remember to share in the group. Okay. I love to see all of this stuff. Okay, it makes me happy, it keeps me motivated and all. Guys, you guys can take out all right now or take out partials, up to you. Okay, because we already swept this liquidity range here also. Again, it's not really a significant one, all right, but just keep in mind that we already tapped this area, all right, and on top of we tap this area, okay, this is mitigation for the move up, and right now we are there. So you guys want can just get out of the trade, okay, enjoy your profits. If you guys still want to hold, please set BE, all right, at least pull your SL below here. Okay, for those that are using the app, okay, BitUnix app, you guys know you can drag the SL. If you're using on phone, okay, find the number. Okay, let's say the number is here, 2659.69. Put the SL right now. Stay safe on the trade. Okay, my personal opinion. You guys can just exit the trade now because we're actually reaching a mitigation zone for the initial push up. Okay, if you guys want to hold some more, hold. Can also, but members at BE. All right. Yeah. So, and then another thing I learned about the risk management wise, right, is something I cannot really just share here because why I want to really save this and share it for the people that are really interested in becoming traders, like you guys now, which you guys are already part of that community, right? So I'll be doing an exclusive live stream only in our Discord community by this week. Okay, I will let you guys know the timing or the date, also you guys can join in. But please remember to ask question all, okay, I want to hear all of your questions, or please let me know. Then I will be able to, how to say, clarify and answer them. I will teach you guys the risk management thing that I learned and how powerful it actually is now. Okay, where you can lose 7 times out of 10 trades, you only win 3 times, but actually you are profitable. There's a way how to do that. All right, I will teach you guys. All of that I will teach. No worries. Thank you so much for asking the question. Okay. Yeah, so I just wait for another maybe until 10:10. Okay, since we're able to identify who is in control, we're able to identify when is the opportunity for us to enter, and price did went down. Actually, you guys are running in profits right now, lah. So congrats. Okay, let's just wait for it 10:10. Let me reply a chat. Okay, one moment, guys. I hope you guys set BE already, yeah. If you guys set BE just now, the number I said, right? I forgot what number already, lah, but I think it was here. I think the trade would have taken you out already, but you guys are in profits now, lah. Okay. And for those that have closed while the trade was going down, okay, good to you. You can see now the power of mitigation, guys. Just to understand, you see all the level where price is respecting this zone. Okay, this one is all things that we must just understand. See, until here also. Here also, price respected. Respected, 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 respected. Okay? It doesn't mean price won't go down because why? We are seeing bears. Bears are the ones that are in control right now. Okay? But just remember, I write it down. Your the is key in trading. Alright? Protect your capital and make it bigger. With 40. See? Put it here. Okay. There we go. Protect your capital is key in trading. I'll be honest lah. Okay. Hit my TP. Woo! Congrats, 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 congrats. So happy, so happy. Please share in the group. Okay. I want to see. Please, please, just share in the group. Okay, I'm very happy to hear this. This one is like my motivation now. Okay. I also earned some profits. Okay. I managed to enter and then I closed off in the moment here. Okay. Moment I come here, I already closed already, guys. So if you guys still holding, okay, you guys can hold, but just be aware this is the mitigation area. Bears are in control, so overall power is still towards the downside. Okay. Where were we? What was I saying? Oh, I keep forgetting what I'm saying. I got too excited already when I see you guys get to be earn profits already. That's very nice to see. Please remember, send the group, guys. Okay. Hey, got already. One of you share already. Awesome. Wow. $499. Amazing. Good job. Good job. So happy. So happy. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. This is how it should be, guys. This is how it should be. Is it? Price is not really moving exactly like the structure that we draw, but that's not very important. The important thing is we set price we come to this zone and then it will start to move down. So this would be an entry model, right? So all of these things, the prediction one, if you guys cannot see it now, don't worry, okay? You guys will be able to identify all of these things. It's just how we paint the picture clearer and clearer and clearer. Okay, that's it. Okay, that is trading. Basically, you can think that you are an artist, okay, and then you are trying to make sense of what the market is showing you right now. Okay, based on that alone, okay, it will give you your own predictions, your own understanding, your own analysis. Okay, of course lah. You need a trading strategy. Okay, without trading strategy, you cannot do all of those things. Okay, I'm actually quite curious because I know some of you are already trading. Okay, I know lah. Yes, you guys earn profit from what we are doing right now in the live. Congrats. Okay, I also earn profit. Really very happy. But then like you guys trade before you guys actually join, right? I'm actually quite curious. What strategies are you guys using? What strategies have you learned before? How have that strategies actually been helping you guys? Very interested to find out actually. And I need to get to know you guys more often. Okay, never mind, don't worry. Eventually we will have like these live events, or I will also be checking if the channel will be created now later. I'm not sure if admin already sent you guys the link or not, but if not, okay, I will also just double confirm with admin to pin admin later, and then let admin know to send you guys the YouTube link, because I actually went to check this now, and the video is already uploaded lah. You guys cannot find it in my YouTube page because it's unlisted. It's only for those that are in the community, okay? But you guys will be able to watch it, okay, with the link I will give you guys, okay? Only exclusive for you guys. Please share with me what you guys think, okay? If you guys have any question or not, hopefully the channel will be ready so you guys can actually ask there directly, okay? Guys, see, look what price did. I shouldn't have closed also. Look. Okay, they're respecting the first mitigation. Look. Okay lah, we won lah today. Good job, guys. If you guys holding, okay, you guys earn 1 to 3 already. Okay, this is the type of trading that we do lah in our exclusive Discord channel. Last week Sunday, so we did this. Okay, this is what we do. Okay, so if you guys interested to join, please register. The form is free. Okay, to register is free. To join Discord community, all free. All right. Register in the form in the link. Register through the link in the description below. Okay, the form is there, and then you guys can join in the Discord community. Okay, where you guys can learn all of this stuff, catch trades like this. This one is live. What I never hide anything. Okay, we are genuine traders. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. These are all just based on experience of learning, experience of losing. Okay, like I said, the powerful thing. To be an amazing trader, you as good as you are at winning, you must be equally or even more better at losing. Okay, there's a very deep meaning behind that. You hit your TP. Yeah. But I close already. I close here. I close roughly here. The moment I see the mitigation area, I just close. Okay, because personally, I only will hold trades. Okay, if I'm able to focus 100%. I'm not very good at yet talking, giving you guys the answers all, and then at the same time, taking trades lah. As of now. Okay. Eventually, I'll be better. We all got things to improve. Right? Even though my analysis is correct, all of this is captured live. All, I still have my own personal preference that if I'm trading, I like to be very quiet and to myself so that I can be able to fully like control my emotions and everything. Of course, I'm not really having so much emotion in this because the moment I go down here, I already exit. Okay. Yeah, but usually the up and down, if you're trading in bigger capital, your emotion will run one. Okay. But congrats to those that actually earn. There's now 500, almost $500. Oh my god, amazing, man! Good job. Okay, so I think guys we can end the live session here. Okay, again I will check with admin. Don't worry, to make sure that all of you guys get the link to that exclusive video. Even exactly in your direction. Thank you. Thankfully, no lah, not thankfully. This is not always prediction lah. Okay, but I'm still very grateful lah. I start to get a hand on it once I practice and start to trade. Yes, you must trade. I give the example before, but I never use trading lah. Okay, it's like for example, if you are a musician, right, you play piano. Okay, if you play piano and you're a musician, okay, even you practice a song, it can be your favorite song. You practice at home, all right. You can play with it, right? Play the song with your eyes closed. Literally with your eyes closed, you can play it. The reason why I'm saying this is because I'm a pianist also. I learned piano since I was like I think 5 years old. Yeah, but then so long I never play it lah. But I still can play, but a long time never play piano already. So how to say? I know the experience that how good I can play at home. But the moment someone put me on stage to play to perform, my hand will start to shake. Okay, I suddenly forgot the song. These are all real things happen. I'm not giving you guys chinchai example. Okay, all real things that happen. All of these things happen. I forgot the song. I couldn't play. I was nervous. This is because, okay, putting yourself in the actual environment will actually mold you and train you to become stronger than you think you can be. Same thing in trading. There's a reason why I put this example because easier for people to relate. Okay? Same like boxer lah. Imagine if you want to become a kickboxer. Also, I got go train before for 1 year. Okay? I'm not that good, don't worry. Okay. Okay, but I did my best lah. Okay? When I train with the back, okay, Very easy, very nice. Tiring, but very nice. Because the back, you know how the back will move. What? The back will move only front and back. Correct or not? But then at the same time, when I was actually put in to train with a person, okay, the moment the guy kicked my leg, it's training only, we trained like for half an hour, okay. I couldn't walk for 2 weeks. It was that bad. Okay, it's not he hit me hard. It's just part of the training. So then only I started to realize actually when I put myself in the environment, it's very different. But after that happened, right, I couldn't walk, right? It was very painful. The next time when I go and train again, I felt more than 50% less pain when sparring. And I'm also able to move better because it's with a real person instead of just training with the bag. Okay? So yes, need to be in the field. Exactly. Same thing in trading, You guys can tell yourself, I want to wait. Okay, I want to learn. I want to know first what I'm doing. Can, but you're losing a lot of opportunity, guys. You must understand, no matter how much time you give yourself to learn, if you never try to trade, you will never be ready. Okay, this is a very dark, not dark, very in-depth truth coming from an actual trader to you. Okay, as I'm teaching you guys, okay, this is really what happened to me. I was so focused on making sure that I understand A to Z about trading. Okay, but because of this, I blew up accounts. Truth hurts. It hurts when you blow up accounts lah. Okay, depending how much capital you have. Thankfully lah, I'm so thankful for the admins and also for the team behind that allowing me to actually do this free for you guys all. They also managed, I know, to bring down the requirement to fit in the TNC for you guys. So actually, thanks all you guys should be telling to the admin and also to the Bit Unix team. They actually really help out a lot to fund my dream to build a community of genuine traders. So that was very nice. I'm also meeting very powerful traders also in the past few days. And next days, I think another day, tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, or maybe within this week. Yeah, those traders are earning 6 digits in a day. Okay, so there's a lot for me to learn. And then once I learn from there, of course, I'll be sharing with you guys. Okay, all of these you guys also will gain access to. So you should be thankful to be actually in this community. As I say, an environment, correct environment is so important. All right, guys. So when you're in the field only, then only your real learning starts. Your real training starts. Never wait and tell yourself, I want to train and be ready, be ready, be ready. We will never be ready until we go in the field. This is my honest opinion. You guys don't have to trade so big. Why want to worry? Just start trading. Okay? Get rid of the fear. Get rid of that how to say that negative side that is forcing you to not take a trade. Okay? Once you take a trade, it'll be like normal already for you. When that happens, when you don't really think much about trading, that's when you become a very, very powerful trader. Okay? I also had to multitask. Multitasking is a skill, I tell you that. Otherwise, we'll never improve. Yes, you have to be in the field in order to improve. I believe all traders have been through blowing accounts. All true traders have been through that. Yes. If you're a trader that deposited some money, okay, you never blow up the account, it's actually a good thing, but you're not increasing the amount, okay, that means, right, you're basically not trading. You're just scared already. So that's not good. It's either you blow up the account or you grow the account. Okay, both of these things is good. So don't be sad if you blow up accounts. I blew up, I think 3 or 4 accounts I blew up. Okay, but without those accounts getting blown, I won't be here today lah. I told you what, 1 year 7 months, a lot of failures, guys. After that only I saw something. Otherwise, no, it's not a real trader. Yes, correct. It's a journey. Everything is a journey. Okay, being a trader is a journey. Being a businessman or businesswoman is a journey. Entrepreneur. Okay, you want to open up a business. Okay, even if you want to go and work in a company you dream of, everything is a journey. It just depends how badly you want to be in that journey, and are you willing to take all the sacrifices required to reach that goal or that destination. All right. So you see, guys, right now, price came into our mitigation area. It mitigated the fair value gap in the bigger time frame, rested very beautifully in our first mitigation zone. Okay, and then we're seeing a move up. Okay, I cannot tell you. Potentially, we're now going to see a move up because why? Bears are in control for New York session. So for now, Since there's no sign of bulls yet, aim for sells. If you guys still want to trade, just wait, see if this area of the fair value gap gets respected or not. Okay, if this one gets respected and mitigated, okay, you guys can aim for more sell. All right, potentially filling up the fair value gap. Okay, below. Show you guys. There, fair value gap here. And make this smaller. This is just an advice, huh? If you guys are continuing to trade, see how price reacts to this fair value gap. If it respects, okay, and then it doesn't break above this so-called other block, okay, it doesn't break above, it respects it. Okay, at least come into mitigation, then you guys can aim for sell. Just follow the trend. Remember that. Aim for the fair value gap below. As the trade goes lower, 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 remember to put BE, take out partial, or close all your trade. Everything is correct. Okay? Let the price retest rest. Yes. Let it go into this area. At least mitigation. If you're seeing bears come in more, go for sell only. Right? Follow the trend. Right now the trend is going down. Follow the trend. Okay? So I hope today's live session is insightful, guys. I think we'll end the live session here. Congrats again for those that actually made profits. I'm so happy. All right. We were having more live sessions tomorrow. If you guys are new, okay, thank you so much for joining today's live session. Please do remember to like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Okay, sharing the love. Okay, if you share with someone that is interested to become trader, especially to learn for free, okay, it means you care for them. Okay, please help us grow these genuine communities. Okay, thank you guys for joining. Please share around, let people know what are we doing, what are we building, what is our aim. Okay, the more traders we have in, the bigger the community we have, the more knowledge and more minds we can put together to become even stronger. Okay, we want to build a community of genuine traders for free. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm Guna. I don't know why I said that now, but it felt right. I still finding my correct outro. Okay, soon you guys will see me say the same thing every time. All right, thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Okay, if you guys never eat yet, please eat well. Bye bye. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay, send your profits. I want to see. Bye guys.